Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today I'm going to show you how to change your lawnmower blades. Let's get started. To remove the blade, find the right socket that fits on this bolt. In my case it's a 5/8. You see, as I try to loosen it, the blade turns. So I'll use a block of wood and set it between the blade and the deck housing, and that will keep the blade from turning while I loosen the bolt. This bolt is usually very tight, so I'll use my jack handle as a cheetah pipe. There we go. And now I can unscrew this bolt. Alright, this blade came right off, but sometimes they'll stick and you'll just have to pry them down and off of the spindle. The first thing you want to do when you get your new lawnmower blades in is to compare them side by side and make sure that they are identical. See that our hole spacing pattern here is the same on both. They're also the same length. You can see that the width is a little bit different, but that's alright. This is probably just a different style blade. But as long as the length and the center hole pattern is the same, these are interchangeable. So once you get your lawnmower parked on a nice solid working surface, lift your deck to the highest setting, and that will give you some access to work underneath. Simply take your blade, line up all these cogs to the bottom of the spindle, sit on there like such, and then reinstall your bolt and washer. Now you'll need to tighten this up. Once again, you see that our blade is spinning. So we'll use our block of wood over here, and we'll get it pinched between the blade and the mower deck. And now we'll be able to tighten up this bolt. There we go. Now simply rotate the blade back the other way to release your block of wood, and you're done. So that's how you replace the lawnmower blades on your lawnmower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Dude, we can fix it.